Hello, dear children. How are you? I hope your studies are going on well. So, children, this is the second part of second chapter of our science book, that is food and its digestion. And in the first part, we read about food, nutrients, preserving food, and balanced diet. In this video, we will read about digestion of food. Children, what is digestion? Do you know? And why it is necessary for our body? Children, the food we take is very complex in nature and it cannot be absorbed directly by different internal organs of our body, and it cannot be absorbed by our blood capillaries also. So it's not useful until it is digested. So there is a process named digestion. And what is digestion? Digestion is a process in which our food is converted into simpler and smaller parts inside our body so that it could be used by internal organs. Means हमारे फूड को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करना ही क्या कहलाता है? डाइजेशन. सो दैट हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स उसे अब्जॉर्ब कर सकें और वो फूड ब्लड में अब्जॉर्ब किया जा सके. इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? डाइजेशन. एंड चिल्ड्रन, our digestion starts from our mouth, okay, and it comes through a 9-meter long path and then it ends into anus. Okay, here you can see anus. From anus the undigested food is removed from our body. Children, here you can see the digestive system and different organs of your body. Children, here's your mouth, all you can see, and here's your esophagus, means the food pipe, the pink colored organ, and here's yellow colored organ, that is stomach. Here's your stomach, okay, and here's your liver, okay, the brown shaped organ is your liver, and the pink colored organ here you can see is small intestine, and the orange colored organ is large intestine. Okay children, and from large intestine your food comes into anus. Okay, so this is the complete digestive system. Let's learn about the work of different organs in digestion. Children, digestion starts from our mouth. There are teeth present in our mouth that cut, breaks and grinds our food. They convert our food in smaller parts. And there is a tongue also. What does our tongue do? There are taste buds on our tongue that tells us what is the taste of our food, and tongue push our food through food pipe. Okay, here you can see the tongue and it push our food into food pipe, that is also called esophagus. Children, there is saliva in our mouth also that makes our food soft and moist. Means saliva हमारे food को मुलायम and गीला बनाता है so that वो food pipe से easily stomach तक जा सके. And saliva changes starchy foods into simple sugars. सलाइवा क्या करता है? स्टार्ची फूड्स को सिंपल सुगर्स में कन्वर्ट करता है. Children, here's an activity that you have to take a plain piece of bread and chew it properly. After some time, you will notice that its taste will be slightly sweet. Why it happens? Because the saliva converts the starch that is present in bread into simple sugars, and then you will feel its taste sweet. Okay children, so in this way saliva is also useful in digestion. And here you can see the food is coming directly from food pipe into our stomach. Here's your stomach, and then the extra digestion is completed into stomach. Children, our stomach is just like a muscular bag, okay, and it is like the shape of J letter. Children, it's just like a muscular bag. So the muscles of our stomach expands and contracts. Expands and contracts means वो फैलती हैं and सिकुड़ती हैं. so that आपका फूड बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में ग्राइंड हो सके. And the proteins that are present inside your food are digested in your stomach. आपके फूड में जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं वो भी कहाँ डाइजेस्ट होते हैं? स्टमक में. एंड चिल्ड्रन, देयर आर सम एंजाइम्स इन योर स्टमक ऑल्सो, and there is an acid named HCl acid that kills bacteria present in your food. Okay, so the rest of digestion is uh, done in stomach, and from your stomach your food comes into small intestines. Children, there is a juice named bile juice that is secreted from your liver, and it is very helpful in digestion. So the bile juice, here you can see the picture from liver. Here you can see your liver. From liver, the bile juice comes into gallbladder. Here you can see a smaller green colored organ. So when the bile juice comes from liver, it is stored into gallbladder, and from gallbladder it comes directly into small intestine. Here's the picture of small intestine. Okay, children. So from the food that comes from stomach into small intestine is mixed with that bile juice, and bile juice comes from liver. Okay, children, हमारा फूड पाइप से कहाँ आता है? स्टमक में आता है, एंड स्टमक से वो कहाँ जाता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ओके, एंड जब वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आता है तब लीवर से एक जूस सीक्रेट होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं बाइल जूस. ओके, वी सेट बाइल जूस, एंड लीवर से बाइल जूस कहाँ आता है? गाल ब्लेडर में, एंड गाल ब्लेडर से वो डायरेक्टली आके कहाँ मिल जाता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ओके, एंड देन बाइल जूस हमारे फूड के साथ मिक्स होता है, बिकॉज स्टमक से फूड कहाँ आया होता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ओके, so the rest of digestion completes here. Then bile juice mix with our food and digest it fast. फिर हमारे डाइजेशन को वो फास्ट करता है. एंड बाइल जूस एक और वर्क करता है. इट इंक्रीजेस द मूवमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन्स कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड एक्सपांशन. मीन्स द स्क्वीजिंग मोशन. बाइल जूस क्या करता है? हमारी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन भी सिकुड़ती है, फैलती है, ताकि हमारा फूड और छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो सके. इस मोशन को भी बाइल जूस इंक्रीज करता है. ओके, स्क्वीजिंग मोशन को. दिस मोशन इज कॉल्ड स्क्वीजिंग मोशन, एंड हेंस आवर डाइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड हियर. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में हमारा फूड एमिनो एसिड एंड ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, एंड हमारा डाइजेशन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. कहाँ? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. एंड the digested foods are absorbed by the blood in small intestine. Okay, those food that are digested are absorbed by blood in small intestine, hence our digestion completes here. And then the undigested food comes into large intestine. Here you can see the picture of large intestine. Okay, children, from the small intestine you can see the food is coming into large intestine. Okay, so the undigested food is present here, but there is some water into undigested food also. That water is absorbed into large intestine. Okay, and from large intestine the undigested food comes into rectum. Here you can see rectum, and it is stored here, and it is removed from our body from anus. Okay, here you can see the picture of anus. Here is the picture of anus. From anus the undigested food is excreted, means it is removed, and hence our digestion completes. Children, do you know what is the length of a small intestine? Our small intestine is about 6 to 7 meter long. Okay, so children, our digestion starts from our mouth and it ends into anus. Okay, from where undigested food is excreted. Children, and here are some healthy eating habits. When you will take food, you should follow some healthy eating habits. What are they? Eat a balanced diet. You should always take a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that contains all type of nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. Means you should also include vegetables and fruits, milk and all energy groups in your daily diet. And you should have plenty of water. Means you should drink enough water so that your food can be digested easily. And do not play just after eating because digestion needs oxygen. And when you will play just after eating, the oxygen, the different body organs will take away that oxygen and your stomach will not get proper oxygen to digest your food, and then you will feel stomach ache. So you should avoid to play immediately after eating. Just take a rest sometimes after eating, and always wash your hands before and after your meals. Okay, खाना खाने से पहले और बाद में अपने हाथों को जरूर धोएं. And wash raw foods means vegetables and fruits. You should wash them properly before you eat them, and chew your food properly so that your food can be converted into smaller parts, that and so in this way your stomach can digest it easily. So children, here are some rules so that you can follow, and you should not take many more junk foods. You should avoid fast foods and junk foods. They decay your teeth and they are also not digested easily. So stay healthy children. Thank you.